Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Welcome to episode 10. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a project share. As you guys know, I am part of the design team with the Fairy Tale Club. She recently came out with her new Halloween kit, which I have a previous video on. I'll have that link down below if you guys didn't see it. This is what a little overview of her kit. It's called Magical and Mischievous, and it's super cute. So I decided to create with it and share it with you guys. So the first thing I created was this super cute embellishment book. You guys know that I love creating these, and I had some chipboard hanging around in my stash and decided to use it to make a embellishment book. And it's super simple, it's nothing crazy, but this is how I decorated. I used the spider paper on both sides. I like my front and my back to always match. I used one of her little cut aparts and kind of inked the edges. Put a cute little spider sticker from Michaels. I used pieces of her ephemera and some glitter paper that I had from Hobby Lobby just for layering. When you open up the first page, this is what it looks like. Another one of the cut aparts, one of the little flares, tons of the ephemera pieces. I have this cute little doily from, I think, Doodlebug, and that's what that page looks like. And then we have like a little purple page, the lavender page with the little hearts. And then on this page I used one of those clear pockets from Target just to add a few of the little cut aparts. I put this cute little Magical Day ephemera piece on the top. That's what I did with that page. Kept it simple. Then when you open it up right here, I decorated this page right here with this cute little spider web, a cute little spider in the middle, one of my little spooky ghosts from my AliExpress die. I added some googly eyes because just I love the way that looks. These are little cut aparts, little ephemera piece. It's the Halloween house. I added a small gate that I had this die also from AliExpress, and a cute little spider on the fence. And then I added a piece of the papers, one of her papers in the middle just for the binder, just so it don't look so plain and simple. I added two of the rosettes that I created as little embellishments to put inside the book. I have her little ephemera pieces on each of the rosettes, if you can see that. It says Weird and Loving It and Book of Spells. And then when you turn the page, I made a cute little pocket here, and I just placed one of the little cut aparts that says Magic is Real, and added some of the tags and that came with the cut aparts, and just some little ephemera pieces there and a little spider web doily. And then the last page just has the little circle embellishments that I created. And then when you close it, this is what it looks like. Super clean looking. I love the way it turned out. That is the first project that I created using the collection. And then I made a few rosettes that I want to share with you guys. I absolutely love the way they turned out. To make these rosettes, I used the Tim Holtz die, the rosette die, and this is what it looks like. I love how easy this is. The lines are perforated for you, so you don't have to be folding and scoring. And I just love the size. That's what it looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen this die a million times, but that's the one I used. And this is what the rosettes look like. Here's the first one. I love how they turned out, you guys. And there's this one. Then we have this one. I just added the little spiders just to give it a little extra. And I love that the back is double-sided, so they look super clean, you guys. I like to add the circles to kind of make them look complete. And then the last one is this one, and this one I kind of did a little bit of layering. I have a little piece of ribbon from some ribbon I found in my stash from last year. This is from Michaels. And then I also cut out a 2-inch circle using the acetate piece that came in the collection, and a cute little plastic spider. But yeah, you guys, that is everything that I have made so far using the collection by the Fairy Tale Club. Definitely go check them out. This collection is adorable. If you like the whole pastel Halloween look, for Halloween and you don't really like the orange and black, I'll have everything linked down below where you can get the kit. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye guys.